Unfortunately, I can't go to school tomorrow because the voicemail just said in my mom's in my mom's inbox that all schools will be on strike tomorrow except for LCBI.
No, they're not on strike. They reached the deal, but it might be a snow day.
Yeah, but Mom, you don't know anything about that, Mom. And anyways, I hear what you're saying, Steph. I watch your videos, but I am going to school every day and also participating on my work and all that. And I am very sorry, I was just playing a game. But yeah. Anyways, I hope you have a good rest of your night, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good day.